The Constellation team is here today at Grant Park, one of Atlanta's oldest parks, and we are here to do some beautification. We're going to be moving a bunch of mulch around and getting some trails prepared and taking care of the ecosystem here. Grant Park is one of the biggest parks in the city of Atlanta, and thousands of community members use it every single day. So the work that Constellation is doing really preserves that environment and makes it really functional for the community so our families can take advantage of it.
I'm a fellow with the Grant Park Conservancy, and the Grant Park Conservancy was founded in 1999 to take care of historic Grant Park. Grant Park itself was founded in 1883, and what we do is we work with the city of Atlanta to take care of the park and kind of fill in the gaps of what really needs to happen out here.
So what I like about volunteering here at the park today is I love being able to actually get in with the community, enjoy the fact that we were able to help out and get the park ready for their next big community event.
So Constellation is really, really big on giving back in the communities we serve. Again, we are a commodities business. So what is it about us that differentiates us from the other people in the marketplace? And for us, a huge part of that is how can we give back? We do several other volunteer events throughout the year with Hands On Atlanta. It means the world to me that I get this opportunity, and that Constellation allows me the opportunity to do this.
Over the past 10 years, Constellation has partnered with Hands On Atlanta to power our civic leadership program, which has sent about 20 to 30 civic leaders to nonprofits and schools all over the city. So we've supported hundreds of nonprofits and schools with these programs, impacting thousands of kids, distributing millions of meals, and taking care of just dozens of acres of property.